channel, Dex Media, so I normally like showcase. You must all watch YouTube and see me. They all about the place, show Buff Bay, show Portland Town. So this is a very good thing for the community. So I like to tell the people what really are going on.
So this is one of several community Wi-Fi's that I have chosen for West Portland. We have 6 so far, including public Wi-Fi in Buff Bay, in the Buff Bay town itself. But connectivity is a must. If you don't have connectivity, then you're going nowhere in life. So.
Right, so we are here this afternoon launching the free community Wi-Fi for Skibo. We would have done several from Nigel Point to Moran Point. And having left here, we'll be going to industry to do another community Wi-Fi.
Up this community, you see it? Country then call him place, a back a bush. So you know you go already, you see it? Anything with their town can be a country though. So I must really commend the government and the ministry for this. A job well done. Yeah man, up.
If you don't know the song, you can grab it. Copy of Dex Media.
Hello, good day.
Hello.
Yeah people, so today there's Wi-Fi in my area. I live way in the bush and they have free access to Wi-Fi in my area now. So I'm doing a little coverage on this to show you guys what's going on. So just stay tuned, remember to like, share and subscribe. Mr. Boss, bless up.
Perfect. Tell me when you're ready for 1, 2, 3. 1. No, minutes now, not you. We go ahead, minister. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Clap, 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 clap. Hey, ball. Hey. All right, so we're going to point at the principal. No, we got to find out. Got it? One farmer allow me to the minister come. Good. Alright, minister and children, come.
Yeah people, so free Wi-Fi is here in my community. You see it? Over so much years. Yeah man, we finally have access to free internet.
Our principal, come join this. Right. All right, all road lead the industry now. Yes.
Oh yeah man, how you doing? It's their little television. Yeah.
Yes, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Daniel Dawes, CEO Universal Service Fund, Chief Executive Officer for the Universal Service Fund. We are an agency. The Universal Service Fund is an agency in the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport. The minister in charge is the Honorable Daryl. And today we are here to launch the Skibo Community Wi-Fi. We would have budgeted and provided for over 300 community Wi-Fi. So when we leave Skibo, we are going down to industry. Right, so we are here this afternoon launching the free community Wi-Fi for Skibo. We would have done several from Nigel Point to Moran Point. And having left here, we'll be going to industry to do another community Wi-Fi launch. So what the service is all about is to give children and the community access, uninterrupted access to the internet, high-speed broadband facility.
Yeah, and this is country, so
right.
So good up here.
And the Minister Baz would have chosen Skibo. So it's not something that the Universal Service Fund would have decided on its own. It is a recommendation coming from the Member of Parliament, Minister Daryl. So we do hope that the children and the entire community will make the best use of this facility that would have cost millions of dollars to outlay and millions more to maintain and millions more to make sure that the service is uninterrupted by our ISPs. So it is good to be in Skibo. Minister,
Exactly what has transpired.
Yes, sir.
You're using it water. When you using it water, how you used to get it?
Yeah,
what happened over there last year and where you are now.
Yes,
so that when I send it and then come here, then I can address it and tell you exactly what is going to take place.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to interview with you.
Mr. Vaz, no, man.
Well, go on, you.
Give me mic.
Oh, yeah, take your mic.
Come on, bless up, man. So, up on the channel, Dex Media, so I normally like showcase. You almost all watch YouTube and see me. They all about the place, show Buff Bay, show Port Antonio. So this is a very good thing for the community. So I like to tell the people what really are going on.
So this is one of several community Wi-Fis that I have chosen for West Portland. We have 6 so far, including public Wi-Fi in Buff Bay. In the Buff Bay town itself, but connectivity is a must. If you don't have connectivity, then you're going nowhere in life, and so that's what we're trying to do through the USF. We have about almost 350 points all around Jamaica in the 63 constituencies, and we are going to spend another $1 billion this year through the Universal Service Fund, putting up more community Wi-Fi's, more tablets, more laptops, all the things to do with technology that's going to enhance people, because that's how they're going to get out of the circumstances that they are in now and be able to come back after being successful in some field and come back and help their communities.
It's a very good development for
Yes, absolutely. And the truth is, it's good for the kids, especially with the homework and all of that. They have something and they have reliable internet at free, no cost to the community.
Yeah, I must comment on you on that.
Yeah.
Very good job.
Respect.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man, thank you very much. Yeah, people, so big up on yourself, you know, man. I see it. Yeah, man, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't know you already. I see it. Yeah, man. So it's a good look. We have Wi-Fi up this community. You see it. Country then call him place, a back a bush. So you know you go already. You see it. Anything with their town can be a country too. So I must really commend the government and the ministry for this. A job well done. Yeah, man. Up. So we have a JP. Yes, people, so we have a JP in the area right now. And he's going to say a few based on the new development in the area. Yes, sir.
Okay. The Chepstow is a community which we try to use our phone, and the phone just now works. So we appreciate this movement by the Universal Service Fund to give us this free Wi-Fi for us to assess what we want. So we, as a justice of the peace, I'm here and appreciate everything that is done and said. So we appreciate it very much, very much, very much, and I hope we will get some more later on in the year. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. B-roll.